Hey guys, welcome to another video with Hanging with Brody. Today we're opening Season 2 Topps Baseball card. So there's 7 packs, 1 exclusive, community patch card. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's try to find that patch card. Okay, so on to pack number 1. I hate how they just put the star of MLB the front. We got Clayton Kershaw. Ooh, it's this. We got Derek Jeter. Nice. Okay, so we got Josh Harrison on the Phillies, JD Martinez on the Dodgers, Will Benson on the Reds, Michael Lorenzen on the Tigers, Masataka Yoshida on the Red Sox, G. Halim Bay on the Pirates, Austin Hayes on the Orioles, Adam Euler on the A's, Vinim Brujan on the Rays, Kyle Tucker on the Astros, Whitmer Field on the Blue Jays, Mike Taylor on the Minnesota Twins. Okay, so that's it for pack number 1. Oh my god, again? We got this one so much times. We got Yordan Alvarez, star of MLB. What is this? A Legend of Games. Cal Ripken Jr. Look at that. That's sick. Oh my god. Not expecting to get that good one. Do that again. Sweet. Cal Ripken Jr. The shortstop. Oh my god. So we got Luis Rengifo on the Angels, Stanton on the Yankees, Dalton Varsho on the Blue Jays, Logan Hope on the Angels, Sean Maney on the Giants, heavy hitters catch up, Mike Trout and Vlad Guerrero Jr., Chris Bubic on the Royals, Mackenzie Gore on the Washington Nationals, Travis Arnaud on the Atlanta Braves, Chad Pinder on the A's, Hayden Wesneski on the Cubs, Joe Adell on the Angels. We got a lot of Angels. We got a good pull from that. Ooh. Don't look. That's going to be our patch card. I'm so excited. Okay, so we got Xander Bogaerts for star of MLB. Ooh, we got a Tover on the Rockies. So that's a little gold card. Home Run Derby Buxton. And let's get to it. Oh, we got Edwin Diaz. He's out for the season, of course. We got Michael Saini, Miles Straw, Coles, Justin Curley, Luke Voigt, Chad Cole, Juice Resumes, Jeff McNeil, Ronnie Harisi, Nolan Arenado. Okay, we have the patch card. What? It's a Brian Buxton. Father's Day. What is that? Look at that. Sick, bro. Nice. So we got our first patch card. We're going to get a second one at the next box. So let's go. Ooh, we got Shohei Ohtani hitting. Never seen that. That boy. Ooh, we got another Cal Ripken Jr. Oh my god. David Fletcher, Taylor Hearn, Joseph Rue, Blaine Thomas, Dream Pena, Amy Rosiera, Logan Gilbert, Jake Fraley, Jace Peterson, Kay Logan, Austin Hedges, Tyler France, David Fletcher, and that's it. Dude, but look at that patch. That is sick, dude. Can't believe I got that. Okay, we have 3 more packs left. Ooh, I never got this. Ooh, we got a Cubs one. Christopher Morrill. Nice. Okay, flip these over. We got basic cards. No, no, no. No, no. No, no, no. No, no. Alright, we got no good ones. Oh, basic. I hate the basic ones. I want to get some weird. Finally. Oh, we don't have again. Oh, we got Josh Jung. Oh, yes, we got our Japan Matsuka Mariko. Whatever that is. And then basic. Ooh, we got Corbin Carroll. Basic. Wait. No. Basic. Oh, there's some burn on there. That can go viral. Nope. Not a good one. We did get that Japan one, though. Ooh. We got Francisco Alvarez, star of MLB. Trey Turner with 99 speed. We could have him. Okay, on to the next box. Boy. I'll get him. Start from the top. And we just got another Francisco Alvarez. Patch cards in here. Yep. So we got Josh Jung again. Ryan Stanberg. The one we've all been waiting for. The patch. Ooh, we got an athlete. Oh, it's number. And Shane Leager, Oakland Athletes, 171. And there's only 299 of these in the world. Damn. See the little number right there? Sick. Let's go. Hurry up. No. Let's go, Alvarez. No. Nope. Another Shohei Ohtani. Ooh, we got a Aaron Judge. Damn. No. Come on, man, we gotta get this horse. Ooh, we got a Pete Alonso home run derby one. Nice. It's gotta be in this one. I'm gonna say that. We got a Salvador Perez star. That gonna be. Is it in here? Is it? No. Is there no other Japan one? Hold on. That's it for Hanging with Brody. Hope you had a good time. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and goodbye.